I'm going to use the mighty mill. Our first step is to find some gold ore. So I went out to the tailings piles to see what I can find. So it's kind of dirty on one side, and there's some quartz seam right here. It's worth checking out. I like the coloring of this one. Just put that right there in our stack, and let's keep looking. It's awfully thin. And I believe that that's quartz running through it. So I like that. We'll definitely take this one with us. But I like the look of this one. Here's the quartz. And that's some of the rusted out looking rock it was attached to. So this one is one I'll definitely want to check out. We'll take this one home with us and we'll crack it open. Look at that. Look at that quartz seam right there. That is a quartz seam. That's very interesting. Get back here, you. I like the fact that that's a seam. It's a good sized seam too, and it's up against the other brown rock, rusted rock. Quartz right there. Rust, more quartz. What do you think? Gold? Cool device. Really bust the rock up into powder. But before we can do that, it's got to fit into these little slots up here, which means we're going to have to break them up into smaller pieces. See now? It's like talcum powder. Look at that. Don't want to breathe that stuff. So let's get it wet so I can take this mask off. Right here. Well, I made one mistake that I should have done before I put the water in, and that was to run a magnet over it, because there's going to be a lot of metal filings in it. See, the way that mighty mill works, it's got chains on the inside, and the chains just beat the hell out of the rocks. And they always tend to lose some metal. You know, the chains do wear out eventually, but what happens is the metal gets in with the dirt, and it's going to show up. So we'll just have to deal with that. But if you see the metal filings, that's because I didn't take them out. I mean, I'll try running a magnet over it, but it's kind of too late because it's already all muddied up water now. But we'll see. Yeah. There. Today's configuration is going to be the blue bowl. I've been wanting to see how it does with that real talcum powder broken down rock. So it'll be fun to find out. We've got our battery, the blue bowl itself. You got the pump down there. If you want to find out my tweaks and tips and tricks on setting this thing up, it's in one of my other videos. Nice shadow over here. Now see, I see a lot of really fine, sparkly stuff right in there. That could be fine powder gold. I'm not sure yet. Remember, this is the less than talcum powder size because I classified it out. This is about as small as you can get. I scrubbed out everything prior to doing this, including the snuffer bottles and everything else, because I don't want anything to spoil the sample. I mean, there could be gold particles left from prior runs, but you don't want that. You want everything clean. You want to know that the sample you're doing has gold in it or not. I'm hoping it does. If you're seeing this video, it means it had gold in it. If it didn't have gold, you're not seeing this, so that was a statement I didn't need to make. I magnified the results to take a look at them, and there's some gold in there. It's very microscopic. I wouldn't be able to see it with my naked eye. Let's move on to our next size. I don't know if you can see them. I'll try to zoom up on them later. There's a few dots here, and over here, and a couple little things over here and right there. Very small. And up around this point right there. And some right there. Sometimes I like to give a little power assist. Big old magnet. Let's see, there's nothing on there right now. So let's see what we can get. Pump it up a little bit. I get as close as I can to the water. See if it helps raise up some of that black sand. Let's see. Alright, so just like a little bit. I believe the stuff I just put in is going to take a little bit longer because it was at the bottom of the dish. Of course, the heavier stuff goes to the bottom. Any of the black sand as well as gold. And we will snuff her up all the stuff that's down there and see what's gold and what's not. There's a nice little ring of stuff around there. There we go. Little dish. you know, instead of the green one because I can see blue better. I'm going to go ahead, let's get rid of some of this water. Remember, this is just one of the sizes. We have several other sizes to do. I'm just curious, so let's go ahead and check this one out. See if I can do this so you can see it. It's going to be kind of hard. Let me just do it, then I'll show you. The Mighty Mill, bottom line, it works great. It saves so much time and saves my hand from that obnoxious pounding. So yeah, I am very happy I purchased this. Highly recommend.